So today guys, we are making pineapple jerk roasted salmon. First, salt and pepper salmon and rub with minced garlic. Then set aside for 20 minutes. Next, combine jerk seasoning with butter and set aside. Here's a pro tip.
If you want to add extra heat, consider using the Grace hot jerk seasoning instead of the mild.
Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, combine vegetables with half of the butter and lay out in an oven-proof skillet, leaving space for the salmon. Here's another pro tip.
Use whatever vegetables you want in the dish. The cooking time would be adjusted, but the recipe would remain the same.
Roast in preheated oven for 10 minutes. Then, remove from oven and add salmon, placing it skin side down. Cover salmon with remaining butter, top with diced pineapple and roast for 8 to 10 minutes depending on the thickness of the salmon. Here's another pro tip.
Adding a bit of sugar to the pineapples will cause them to caramelize in the oven, giving you additional flavor and texture.